Hi, it's Angeline here. Have you started making your Christmas cards? If you've not, it's time to start one. I'm going to show you how to create a Christmas card using some twine and sequins and using this cute little special delivery mouse by Unity Stamp and Lisa Glantz, and I've already colored it with some Copic markers. And I'm also grabbing some trendy twine here, which is their peppermint icicle little bits. So I'm just starting off by grabbing some twine, and I've already put some adhesive to the back of my pattern paper. And I'm just going to measure roughly the twine, how much twine I need to wrap around my card and to tie a bow at the front. And once you got this measurement done, just cut off the twine and it's going to be easy for the next colors. So because I've already put some adhesive to the back of the pattern paper, this is going to help the twine stay in its place so that it's going to be easy once you flip it around to start tying the bows. So once you've added enough twine, it's time to flip it around and adhere it to your card base. Next is all just about tying up the twine into little bows and just trimming off the ends. Because I didn't want to tie the bows all in a straight line, I just have to use my little mouse to measure where it is going to be so that the bows are not going to be hidden behind the stem, and just tie up the rest and you're done. So because the twine is on the card, I have to pop the mouse up using some foam adhesive so that it will adhere nicely to my card. And finally, I'm grabbing the Aurora Borealis sequin mix here from Unity Stamp and just adhering lots and lots of it onto my card, because who doesn't love bling, right? So here's my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!